Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video we show you how to troubleshoot a bad topside control panel. If the heater on light is not solid red on the main board, it means your topside control panel is bad. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver. Parts you will need: 73225 control head, 77433 control panel, or the 76845 control panel. Step 1. Turn the temperature to the highest setting. Step 2. The heater on light should be solid red on the main board. If the heater on light is not solid red, follow these steps. Step 3. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 4. Unplug the control panel from the motherboard. Step 5. Connect power to the spa with the control panel unplugged. Step 6. Disconnect power from the spa. Step 7. Plug in the control panel. Step 8. Connect power to the spa again. If the heater on light remains off, it means you have a bad topside control panel. Step 9. If the green ready light or green logo light is flashing, 97 to 2012.5, and your temperature control thermistor is good, it means you have a bad topside control panel. If ready is flashing on a 2012.5 forward spa, and the temperature control thermistor is good, it means you have a bad 76836 Eagle box. The logo light will be solid blue and flashing red. Step 10. If the control unplugged or control error light is on and the power light is solid red, or the hot spring logo light is solid blue, it means you have a bad topside control panel. Thanks for watching. Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.